need the mansion feature. I think you can get it. Oh, super jackhammer? That might even be better. I've never seen. There it goes. What? What? That's it? Oh, the jack. Oh, the jack. Oh, yeah. Oh, you want it at the top. Come on, jackhammers. There they go. Notice they start at the low end because they don't want to fill the whole screen up. You get 3 jackhammers at the top. There you go. Good that you won 20 already. 20 times bet. There they go. Come on, Jack. Do you think they operate as helmets? Oh, yeah. Three gold already. That's big. You can get your coins, so that's at least $30. Let's hope this is the jackpot we've been asking for. Yeah, jack. Oh, hell yeah. Jackhammer. Oh yeah. All the way down, sir. And he gonna make those other 2. What? What is that? Automatic money? Instead of moving, they give you the automatic 10 because it's a minimum of a mini, I think. Oh, come all the way down, baby. 10? Oh, I guess not. This is about to be 10. Holy. Holy. This your funnest game ever, huh? What?
I don't know what's going on. I'm just like, okay.
It's a new game. I never play this anyway, but let's get more jackhammers and fill up. That's it? Oh, I missed it. I thought you had more. Mansions, you want all coins. And get that major. You've been begging for it. And the new major is no longer a jackpot. Oh, those are low numbers. Holy, they're so low. Oh, super low numbers. That's not even 20 bucks. Minimum. Oh, 750 minimum. Coin. No coins. Dirty dogs. 129. That's nice. That's really nice.